Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my social media planner, which is a New Day Classic Size Happy Planner. That was an 18-month release from last year that I'm using. And I decided to use these beautiful new stickers from the Happy Planner. They're called Pastel Tie-Dye and they come in like 5 sticker sheets. It's a little book and I thought these will be so fun to use. They're so like summery and springy and happy and just bring me a lot of joy. So I figured that I'm going to go ahead and use these. So let's start. They have lots of quotes and fun things to use, and this happens to be my social media planner, which I use pretty extensively to plan out videos and write out ideas and stuff. So I usually leave quite a bit of room to write in here. Look at these stickers, they're just so gorgeous. They're beautiful and gorgeous, and I really am enjoying using these. So I have a reach for your dreams, and look how pretty. And while I am looking through this quick little book, I wanted to say thank you if you are already subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate that, and if you are brand new, welcome. I hope you like it here and that you subscribe. So I am going to be using silver stickers today because a lot of these hollow stickers in this book resemble more of a silver than anything else. So that's what I decided to use, this beautiful mirrored silver from Happy Planner. This is from the colorful sticker book. Colorful boxes, that's what it's called. And I really love it. So I'm gonna add a few of these very simple quotes. Chase your dreams, reach your dreams. I'm gonna go ahead and white out focus. I don't want that sitting on there. It's just not something that I wanted. So easy enough, remove. And now I can totally love this. How cute, right? So okay, I've added the green and the blues. Now I can introduce another color palette. This way it will feel pretty complete. If I add another warm palette to it, it's gonna be almost like umami, which means all of the flavors and the culinary. So I want everything to be balanced and beautiful and have the cold and the warm tones together. See, just adding this already changed it so much, and it's a little crooked, but that's okay. I have undo to rescue me. So here we go. I'm gonna lift up that sticker and hopefully there'll be no damage, right? So let's try. Perfect. I think once the edges peel up and you're careful with the center, it's pretty easy. That makes sense. Love this. Be true to you and reach your dreams. Yeah, I think so. I like adding quotes that actually make sense to me and speak to me. I don't add them just because they match color and stuff. Sometimes I have to, but I choose not to if I can. Okay, these stickers are just simply lovely and I can't help myself but smile when I look at them. They're like bright and fuzzy and lovely and great. So I'm gonna add another strip of quotes into here. And let's see. You are magical. Well, these stickers are magical, that's for sure. And then I'm gonna add a few little quotes here and there because they're just absolutely gorgeous. And I probably won't need much more than that. Sorry, that was my hair. My hair is getting so long and I haven't been going to the hairdresser as often as I normally do. Well, for obvious reasons, there's COVID, but I've also been growing them out a little bit. I think that I look best in pretty long hair, so I've been keeping them like so. Okay, next up onto here is adding a few more of those quotes, and I think that's pretty good. Maybe, possibly, who knows. I am going to go ahead and add some boxes to include in my planner. So I'm gonna be working with the silver ones. They don't film very well, so I apologize in advance. But I think this is a different little spread, and it's something different for me for sure. I've been using nothing but florals for the past several months, so for me to do a spread with no florals is almost unheard of. Okay, here we go. I just would like a little bit more, maybe 2 more boxes. Yeah, let's lay this down. I think that's pretty good. 1 more on Monday, so I have all of the boxes that I need for the week. Now I can also add 2 checklists right by those prompts, and I think that will be great. I finally get to use these silver stickers. I normally don't enjoy using them very much due to the fact they're so hard to film, but almost done. So there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna take my blade, cut off the excess from here, and we are all done with this spread. I truly hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit different. I don't often make spreads with just those tiny little sticker sheet pages, but this was actually a lot of fun, and I think it came out so different and beautiful. I truly hope you enjoyed this, and see you very, very soon for another plan with me. Bye!